Urimi wa beniko ni umwe wa urimi uria wanakorwo uri na kiguni kinene kuri muingi miaka ya hau gabere, no na kuri uguo ni urimi uhanite ta watiganiirio kumana na mathina maria magomeire kambuni cia uguri wa mahua maya kuri arimi onginyagia gucungiriria imwe wa iganda ici kuhana ta cieharagana. Na thutha wa miaka mingi ya urimi uyu gutirikwo riu kiguni kia mahua maya o undu umwe na ndawa iria ithodekagwo kuma mahua-ini ma beniko nikianjitie kuraraka ruhonge rwa urimi wa matunda na mboga o undu umwe na ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri kumana na ugwati uria ndawa iria ikoretwo ikihuthirwo urimi-ini ikoretwo igicungiriria kuri honge ici cieri.
Most importantly, and the one that is an obvious choice, is pyrethrum. This is organic, safe, and is capable of being produced in Kenya and can be used in food and will not have any residue within 24 hours. Advantage of using pyrethrum-based pesticides is that there is less resistance of the insects, I think they call them, to that particular pyrethrum-based pesticide.
Kuringana na mujumbe mutumia kaunti-ini wa Gicungira Shorei, ruhonge rwa urimi wa mboga na matunda rukoretwo ugwati-ini kumana na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kuhuhiriria tutugi na tutambi, undu uria arikitie gutwara Mendekithia bunge-ini ya gibururi akienda ruhonge rwa kuramata dawa cia tutambi kurugamia uhuthiri wa dawa ugwati bururi-ini.
The only recourse available to Kenyans is to file a petition in Parliament. And what in essence they did is required or mandated the Pesticide Control Board to ensure and take measures that those particular harmful pesticides are removed from our market.
Nimito Shorei yarauga icungiririo ni namba nene ya muingi uria ukoretwo ukigomirwo ni mirimu ugwati ta kansa na iria ikoretwo igicungiririo ni uhuthiri wa dawa ugwati, riu akiuga kihonia kia thina uyu ni uhuthiri wa dawa iria ithodekagwo kumana na mumera wa beniko. Iguru ria uu ni athingatite kugathikwo kwa mawatho ma kuramata urimi wa mboga na matunda o undu umwe na uthukangia wa indo iria ciahundurwo kuma mabururi ma nanja na iria ni ugwati kuri muingi.
We are sending safe food outside Kenya. We are eating the unsafe food here in Kenya because of lack of a minimum residue limit set by our mandated institutions.
Yoritie thirikari cia kaunti na iria ikoragia mumera uyu kunyitanira hari ukinyaniria wa Mendekithia maya uge wake ukinyitwo mbaru ni Justus Mwanda murimi wa beniko o undu umwe na Ian Show mwigithia wa kambuni ya uthodeki wa dawa na mahua ma beniko.
Kenya needs this safe insecticide to produce its own food. We should not actually look like we want to produce pyrethrum for export.
The bizarre situation that Kenya produces the world's best pyrethrum, and yet Kenya buys a fraction of the pyrethrum that it creates.
Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nakuru ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.